Hey, again?
Oh, there.
Which one?
Down first.
We're going up.
Up.
Yeah.
They're making a documentary.
I got a card if you want it.
What do you do?
I'm an elevator enthusiast.
A what?
It is elevator
He's into
enthusiast.
elevators.
Yeah.
Well, you would have liked the Twin Towers one. That was awesome, dude. It was like, I would say like,
It was a cool
it
car.
was very tall. The elevators, the ceiling was high.
Yeah.
What the hell?
It's 6th floor.
Yeah. I don't know what's up with this.
Nobody's up here.
Holy shit. But that's now, right? Because they have people before there, right?
Nah, that's
I've been on-
they never had nobody on the 6th floor. That used to be a church.
I've been on some pretty fast ones, but I'm starting to travel around to different countries now and ride them all, you know?
Oh, the Twin Towers was the fastest.
Yeah, definitely.
I think it's like, but when you go up in the all the way in the top, it sounds like they used to move the building. Twin Towers.
The
Move
One
slightly.
World Trade Center has got some pretty fast ones right now. Oh, this is
What
two
we got
again.
now?
Right, two
Hey,
again.
what's happening,
How
mama?
you doing?
I want to get a look at the button.
You're doing an elevator documentary.
Oh, of the shittiest elevators in all of it.
Ah, that could have come on the documentary.
I'm really not going to blame you on that one. They aren't the best.
What's up, kid?
Nothing, just getting stuff together for tomorrow and
You close tomorrow? Or
for the most of the day. The vision is we'll take you to your mom's house. You're gonna stay there, so we're gonna close.
Do you know if there's any other elevators here?
Just these two.
Just these?
and the
Okay.
other side, the other ones don't work.
Oh, there's actually more?
Yeah, but they don't work.
Oh, can I view them? Do you know where they are? All right. Have a great day.
So
Happy
take you to
Thanksgiving.
mom's house.
All right.